Welcome back, everybody. It's Cody with Mr. Plumber. This is our Ask an Expert series. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to go over 3 things you do not want to put down your drain or your disposal, okay? Number 1, people have been making a lot of sourdough bread. Corona, we're trapped in the house. What do? You bake bread. It's delicious, but there's a downside. When you're done mixing up that sourdough batter, a lot of us like to just rinse it out and pour it down the drain. Don't do that. So that's number 1. Another thing you should never put down your drain, okay? I see this more than anything else. Rice. Particularly rice that's a little under par, okay? What does rice do when it goes down the drain? It expands. That's gonna clog your drain, okay? And number 3, also incredibly common, is grease. When you're done cooking, okay, you've got all this grease in a pan, wipe it out with a paper towel. Don't stick it down your drain because it's just gonna congeal and clog you up. So that's 3 things you should never, ever put down your drain. Next week, we're gonna go into more detail about what can happen if you put that stuff down your drain, as well as a couple other things you shouldn't do. So join me next week here at Mr. Plumber, our Ask an Expert series, okay? We'll be back. We're gonna go into great detail. Thanks for joining us.